Welcome to my toy-filled messy house. My baby's outside right now. She's playing, so I have an opportunity to make a really quick tutorial for you. This is for the high thigh wrap. Stand with your right foot in the fabric. Left leg comes out towards the front. Feel the fabric at the crease of your left hip. Then bend the right leg slightly. Swing your left leg up. Twist your hips. Catch the fabric in the left hip crease. Bring your left leg through. Left knee hook. Press out with the leg. Then climb yourself up. Knee goes high to lower it a little bit. Lift yourself up. Fabric will slide down the thigh for a nice high thigh wrap. You can straighten the leg, tighten it in. This is one of our basic beginner moves. Bend the knee for beginner acrobatics, that is. Comes from our level 2 Sky Yoga teacher training. Lift the left leg up and bring the leg out. Let's try it on the other side. Stand with the right leg inside of the hammock, Stand with the left leg in the hammock, right leg back behind you. Bring the fabric into the crease of the left hip. Bend the knee. This time let's just use momentum rather than breaking it down. The leg will go up, in, catch the knee, and then open. Bend slightly, up, catch. Remove the hand. Lift yourself up, stand in the hammock. High thigh wrap. Ta-da! Lean to the left to come out. Leg goes up, slides out, and you're back in the hammock. And just in time because my little munchkin's back. Wow. Subscribe to the channel. I do my videos in my home. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section and turn on that little bell so you can receive notifications. We'll be back with more videos. Can you say bye, Amaya?